on, guys? So today we are going to be doing a small block versus big block 350 versus 454 competition. So as you can see, we got my truck loaded up in the back right here. We got Luke's truck loaded up right here. So right now we're going to put fuel in both of our trucks and then we're going to head out there. So I'll catch you guys at the gas station. Alrighty guys, so we're here putting fuel. I already put fuel in that truck. And so on top of the small block versus big block challenge, we also have a GM versus Ford competition. So we're both filling our tanks fully up, see who gets the better gas mileage towing. But for right now, we're gonna stop, grab something to eat, and then meet you guys out at the desert. So see you guys there. Just made it out to the desert, as you guys can see. So the first competition we had was who would get the better fuel mileage coming out here. As you can see right here, I'm getting 10.9 miles per gallon pulling the trailer. And what are you getting on your gas mileage? 9.8. So right there, the Denali did beat the Ford in that competition, but by the time we get back, we'll see who's actually getting the better gas mileage. So, but for right now, we're just gonna go ahead and unload these trucks and get to going. So we're finally gonna settle this. He's got his 350, I got my 454, but he has good tires. I have bald tires, and we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna hook these up, and we're gonna go ahead and do tug-of-war, so stay tuned. You should back over up. Alrighty guys, so right now we're having some technical difficulties. My truck shut off, but it looks like I'm just not getting enough power to my fuel pump to keep the truck running. So we're gonna go ahead and stay tuned because we're gonna see if we can get that thing working good. Then Luke's truck just shut off right now, but we think that's because it's really hot. So right now while we're waiting for the trucks to cool down, we're playing some tightrope right here with the strap that we were doing tug-of-war with.
Guys, so we found some milk. We're gonna go ahead and have to We're gonna cool it off a little bit. We're just gonna kind of, you know, splash it on the radiator a little bit. Just kind of like that, you know, get it on the motor. It'll really cool it down. And then we're gonna have, we're a little low on water. So we're definitely want to try and fill it up if we can. Might be a little bit hot, but we'll just, we'll dump it on the radiator and stuff. So, and then we'll get it a little more on the motor. Get it in the radiator good, really good.
Gotta make it a little bit tighter.
You know what's tight?
Don't say it.
Yeah, Bill, don't say it.
D, stop.
Oh, you got that on video?
Yeah, stop, D.
You can do it.
Oh, you're done.
Don't hurt your knee.
All right, let's go, X.
You do it, X. Come on, you live out on the property.
Almost like that or dumb D.
I know.
Alright. You live out in the moon now.
Guys, don't hurt your knee.
Careful, X. Don't hurt your knees. Who's next? I ain't going on this shit. My phone died.
Stay tuned because we're gonna see if we can get that thing working good. Then Luke's truck just shut off.
Oh!
But we think that's because
No, no.
Slow down, surfboard.
Oh, no.
Wait for the trucks to cool down. We're playing
Too big for that, right, D?
Right here with the strap that we were doing tug-of-war with.
Oh, God.
There's my erase that. There's my Kevin. Erase that. I didn't say that. Come on, Kevin. Just put a zip tie like you usually do on some things and fix it.
D, what did I put a zip tie on?
That's ridiculous.
I'm not trying to argue on the GoPro. Let's go.
What's up with this fucking?
It's a Catalina wine mixer.
Oh, she's done, Bubs! Just kidding. Yeah, at least she's not knocking. She might be a little hot. Let's go tap on your radiator and see what happens.
All right.
You trying to break the bumper out?
Yeah.
Whoa!
He's just trying to finish it off.
I don't know if you have any cola in there.
Got a little bit.
It's not hot.
I got the milk.
Yeah, nice crust, Bub.
Smells. Oh.
D,
Do it again.
do that stuff to your
Let's see where you're.
Hey,
Alright, yeah, let me go throw yours around, okay?
D doesn't have shit, right, D? You have a Dodge.
Alright, I'm gonna do that in the back of your truck.
Broken toe.
Let's put that cherry pipe on your truck.
Cherry bomb.
Or cherry.
Cherry bomb. Yeah, it's a Chevy. It's not doing anything.
You want to see something new?
You just ruined his muffler, though.
Hey, that was going back on the truck!
Swear to God. Swear to
Swear
God.
to God!
It's dog or God.
Respect.
Well, as I was sitting here hitting it, and you're on the damn thing.
Yeah, you think you didn't you're like that's why I'm gonna be nice.
Stop!
Let me see
Hold
that.
on, let me put it down.
Put it down.
Okay, hold on.
Put it
You're
down.
gonna hit me if I put it down. Stop! Mom!
She ain't coming to save you. She don't love you.
That's why she left me. That was 3.
Man.
He's still gonna put it on.
Don't throw it in the truck! No, don't.
Can I break this?
No. You can, I don't care.
I'm done with this friendship!
Lots of these shit.
I gotta walk together, so we gotta hurry.
Man.
Alright guys, we got a long hike ahead of us.
That came out good.
I'm not low.
Look at my back leg.
Alright, I'm gonna go pick that up.
Kevin has bad leg.
Really?
Yeah.
Hey guys, so we let the truck sit for a minute after messing around for a little bit, and both of the trucks started up, and now we're just messing around. So stay tuned, we're gonna go climb some hills and on our way back to the trucks. just got back to the house with the trucks, and as we were pulling in, we got a flat on our trailer. So let's go ahead and let's show them.
It's a razor blade.
You got a razor blade in it, Kev.
Oh, sweet. So that's what he just pulled out of the tire, out of the back inner sidewall. So right now we're probably gonna pull this off, and every place is closed right now. So probably throw the spare on, or just wait and tomorrow take it down and get it fixed. Alrighty guys, so we just threw the spare tire onto the trailer and unhooked the trailer from the truck. We're gonna run up to O'Reilly's real quick to figure out what's going on with this fuel pump and see, because we've had many problems with fuel pumps before on these trucks. So we finally bought a good one, and this one seems to be having problems. So we're gonna go talk to them, see what we can do about it, and see maybe if there's a different one we could run on it. But for right now, we'll catch you guys in a little bit. Yeah, so we just got back from O'Reilly's, and they went ahead and they ordered us in a new fuel pump. They're just gonna warranty out this one, so we're gonna try that, see how that works. But then once we get that installed, we are going to be going out and doing a little bit more of a comparison between the 350 and the 454, because we didn't get as much as we would like to have done today. So stay tuned for that. But for right now, we're just gonna go ahead and wrap up this video. If you like this video, please hit that like button and please subscribe. But for now, we'll catch you guys in the next video when we're comparing these things a little bit more. Peace.